So you work at a marketing firm, let's say, and manually add every possible client you call into a Google Sheet. The hours of work exhaust you, and maybe sometimes you make mistakes. Let's see how Python can help you automate data verification. And we have the script that I'll show you exactly how I created it. If we give it a run, we'll see that not all rows are valid.
So first, create a new folder, which will open in Visual Studio Code or your favorite code editor.
In it, create a file called script.py. Now let's create a virtual environment. If you don't know what this is, I invite you to look it up, but it's like a loop where we have the tools needed for our Python script. After that, we will install the necessary packages, spread and auth2 client. Spread is a Python library that allows interaction with Google Sheets. Auth2 client is a library for Auth 2.0 authentication and authorization. Now we start writing to our script. First, we import the necessary ones. After that, the scope of Google Sheets and Google Drive would be defined. Scopes are specific permissions we ask for when we authenticate with a service like Google Sheets. Load the credentials from the JSON key file, which we don't have now, but let me show you how to get it. We go to console.cloud.google.com/create a new project. Go into that new project. Go to API and services. And then go to the library and enable Google Sheets and Google Drive. Go to IAM and then go to service accounts and create a new service account. Choose Manage Keys, create a new key, and choose JSON. At this point, a JSON file has been downloaded, and we put it in the same folder as our script and renamed it to service. We go to our sheet and share the client email account from the downloaded JSON. Now, let's continue with our script. Load the credentials from the JSON key file. Open the Google Sheet by ID. Select the first sheet or specify by name. Create a validate date function. Check if the first column, name, is empty. Check if the second column, email, is empty. Check if the email format is correct. Check if the third column, age, is empty. Check if age is a number. Check if the fourth column is valid. Read all rows from the sheet. Iterate over the rows and validate data, skip the header row. Now I run the program and we see that it will go perfectly. Thank you if you watched this video and liked it.